Welcome back to NATORSPACKS. We have a box of the 07 Upper Deck Exquisite Rookies. Let's see what we got here, Charles.
I think there is veterans in here too, as well.
I
think you get one veteran in there.
Alright, nice sealed box. One pack, it's a gold pack.
It's thick, boy.
It's thick. A lot of thick cards in here. Some hammers.
Ooh.
Mariano Rivera, number to 75. Dumping things up. John Danks auto.
Nice Danks.
Number that to 235. There's your double auto, a dual auto. Cesar Jimenez and Yoel Hernandez.
Ooh. Number 2 of 2.
2 of 2. It's a quad patch, quad jersey. Jonathan Papelbon auto.
Nice. That's a nice auto.
I'll take that. It's number 2 to 85. Another auto. Joakim Soraya, closer on the Royals. It's an auto to 15. And there's your last card. It's a Jerry Owens. 1 of 1.
Auto.
1 of 1 auto.
Nice. Wow.
That's your box.
So we got the...
You want to go over the hits? Or pretty much go over the whole box for
That's
last.
true.
There's your Mariano Rivera. John Danks. There's your dual auto card. Jonathan Papelbon, quad jersey. There's your Soraya auto. And your Jerry Owens, 1 of 1.
Nice. Alright.
So that's your box. That's
Nada?
that's what we got here. Card on.